All right, this is week 4 Thursday. This is assignment number 17, and this is also, I believe, is this the backside of this one here? Of this one? This one? Is that it? Can't find that one. Is it this one? It's not this one. I know we went over it yesterday, but I don't know where it is. Oh, this one. Okay, so this is actually the front side of that. So put that as A. I'll put this behind that. All right, so let's go ahead and start off. You say you want to go over number 11. Surface area of a sphere. What's the formula for the surface area of a sphere? You need to memorize that. Okay, what's given to you?
The sphere is, or the surface area of the sphere is 32.
What do I put that number? That's fine. There's your formula. Where do you put it?
Surface area.
Okay, let's do that. Did you do that? And pen's not working because, and quite frankly, if it's not working, I'm not doing any work. So, you're on your own. So figure it out with your friends, teacher, AI. What do you want to do? I don't care. That's something that everybody has to deal with, and you're gonna have to deal with it too. So I helped you, and you bombed your test, and that really made me upset. So, what is asking to find? What's the volume formula? So in this formula, what do you need to make this equation work? What do you need? Does it have anything here that has an area? Okay, then not the area. Don't just guess stupid bullshit numbers. You don't know? Okay, you have a 4 and a 3. That's a number, correct? You have a pi. Pi is a number. What's the variable there that's not given to you? Yeah, what does that stand for? What is it? Oh, yeah, there we go. So I need the radius. So then looking over here to surface area, we're going to see if I can find the radius here. Can I maybe use the formula of the surface area when you're given the surface area to find the radius? Can I do that maybe? What do I have on both sides that I can just cancel? I'm getting really agitated by just doing this with you. So maybe I'm not the best person to be going over this with you anymore from now on. Cancel that out. It's on both sides, right? Write that down. 32 equals, actually, no, just pay attention. Now what do? I need to get R by itself. R is not by itself. What's next? What do I need to get rid of? How do I get rid of that? Really? It's -4? So what's my answer on the right side? On the left side. Next step, what do? What's my answer? Simplify it. What is it? Good. Now that I have this, can I find the volume of the sphere? I take this and I plug it in right there. Now plug it in. You see the cube right here? Distributed to 2 and to the square root. You have 4/3 pi. 2 to the 3rd, square root 2 to the 3rd. Do you see that? Yeah. What's 2 to the 3rd power? What is this part right here? Is it 2 times 3? What is it? It's 2 times 2, 3. 2 to the third power is 2 times 3, which is 6. What is it then? So what is it? Square root of 2. Third power, do you see that? How many square root of 2 do I have? Really? Because there's a 3 right there. Well, how do you get 2? There's a 3 right there, so how many square root of 2s do I have? What's 2 times 2 times 2? You see how these two right here just makes a 2? It comes out as a 2. There's just 1 right there, so that one stays inside. 2 times 8 is 16. Square root 2. Simplify that. I can simplify by doing 4 times 16, which is 64 over 3 pi square root 2. 64 divided by 3. You would just leave it like this, actually. That's the volume. Volume, and your answer is millimeters cubed. Now that I did that, you go ahead and do that one on your own. Do it yourself. Volume is always the easier one on. Fine. What's the volume of a triangular prism? One half base time, that's the volume of a triangular prism. I thought you had that formula down. You didn't bother writing it down correctly? 1/2 base times height is a triangle area. Area base and then what? Oh my gosh. Wow. You can't even copy the formula down correctly. Here, let's go back over here, genius. Area of the base times height. Did you copy that down? You sure you practiced this? Because I really doubt that you did, dude. I love you, but until you take that test and you actually do well on it, I am not going to be happy with you. So right now, I'm going to be very curt with you. What's the volume of a triangular prism? What's the base of this triangular prism? What's the shape? So the area of the base of a triangular prism is a rectangle. You really don't fucking understand, do you? It says area base of, what is this? What is that? What shape is that? Right. Why is the area of the base of a triangular prism a triangle? I don't know, because it's a triangular prism. I mean, did we not talk about this? Did we talk about this? Just like I said, the area of the base of a cube is a what now? A square? The area of the base of a cone is what now? A circle? The area of the base of a pyramid is what now? A square? The area of a rectangular prism is a rectangle. Do you understand that? What's the area of a triangle? Draw this up. Here's your triangle. Helping you when my fucking pen doesn't even work. So you should be freaking grateful about that. Label the height, label the base. Which one's the height? That's not the height, that's the base. Which is the height? Nope, that's not, that's the hypotenuse. This is gonna be the height. 38? 48? That's a little bit better. 1/2, 36 times 48. There's a calculator because we're not wasting fucking time with that. Times height. This height is not the height of the triangle. What is this height? Let's go back over here again. What is that height again? It's the height of the what? The prism. So go back to your question. What's the height of the prism? The height of the prism is 1/2 base times height. So the height of the prism is the area formula for the triangle. What number did we not use so far? No. 25. Do you see how this triangle right here? This triangle is the base. That's the base. That's the bottom. And the 25 is the height from the base of the prism going up. Do you see that? Just getting bullshit answers. All right, that's fine. This is the reason why you're not fucking doing well on your test. Multiply it. What's your answer? You have a calculator. Make sure now you use it. Next time, do yourself a favor. Go ask your dad. Yeah. It's great. Then you should know how to do this then. There you go. There's your answer. Let me know when you're ready to move on. Okay, what are we doing next?
Okay.
What's the surface area formula? That's the surface area formula for, it's the same thing as the area of a triangle. Do you not bother looking in here to see what the surface area formula is? You just not bother? Surface area is the area of the surfaces. How many surfaces do you have on this triangular prism? How many faces? We just went over it. Look at your card if you need to. Three? What are the three shapes? Tell me. There's only three shapes, three surfaces on this triangular prism. Okay. I thought the triangle was the base. Why is there a base with two triangles and a right angle? I thought the triangle was the base. Didn't we say that the base of a triangle is a triangle? You have no freaking clue. I'm telling you right now, if 10 is where you should be, you're at like a 2, maybe a 1. How many faces do you have in this triangle? Look at your notes. How many faces did we write down? Two triangles, two rectangles, one large rectangle. How many is that? What is 2 and 2 and 1? Do you see the, if I put these shapes together, it makes this 3D shape? I'm going with this question on point, but I'm not doing any more of this with you. This is bullshit. You spent all day studying for this, and this is what you got so far. This is absolute bullshit. Surface area. So how many triangles do we have? How many triangles? What are they? I want you to outline them for me. Write down surface area. How many triangles do we need? 2. And then what is the area of those triangles? Did we already find the area of this from the last question? What is it? How many do we have then? I know, but how many triangles do we have? So I times it by? That's 2 surfaces. What are the other surfaces? What other surfaces do you see here? Yeah, go ahead and take your paper, pencil, outline it. Here's our rectangle. How do you find the area of the rectangle? What are the 2 sides of that rectangle? Multiply together. What's another face that we have not found yet? Actually, you know, let me know when you're ready. What's another area or another face or another surface that we have not found yet? Outline it with your pencil. You have this one? Is that the way you outline? Which one did you outline? Which one did you outline? This one right here or this one down here? Top one or the bottom one? The one that I have right here in the blue? Good. How do you find the area of that? What are the 2 sides? Multiply it. Pen's not working, so I'm really fucking ticked off right now. Last one. Here, when you put 5 surfaces, write that down so you know what to look for. So next time I ask you for a question, you don't go 3 surfaces. Last one, do it yourself. Find the last one. What's the area?
1,728.
What are the 2 numbers? What are the 2 numbers for the area? What's the length and width?
Um,
So what is your answer? 1,225 is what you said? We're not eating that in the middle of the day. No, sorry. Why are we eating in the middle of the night? Why are we eating that in the middle of the night when I already served dinner? Yeah, there was plenty of food. You just chose not to eat it. Hey, Dan, go eat over there, please. Are we done? What else do you need?
This
Give me fucking absolute fucking bullshit. Absolute fucking bullshit. You're really that fucking lazy? Go give me more cards. No, 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 no. I told you one card per every single shape. One per card. Go get the fucking card. Ridiculous. I'm sorry to throw it at you, but this is fucking bullshit. I don't know what the fuck you did today, but whatever the fuck you're doing, it is definitely not helping. You still don't know what the fuck you're doing. You have no idea what the fuck is going on. And I don't understand why this is so fucking hard because you did this all last year. We would spend so much time doing this shit, and then you all fucking forgot it, and you don't even bother remembering that shit. So I don't even know how the hell you're gonna put on Pythagorean theorem because that's supposed to be added on to this. And you apparently don't even remember anything last year. So here we are. Here we go. How many shapes do we have? Motherfucker, how many shapes do I have? How many shapes? I just start with that. You have holes in the card? No holes? What the fuck are we using those cards? Are there cards in the not holes in? If this is a company right now, if this is your performance, this is a time where I just fire your ass. Because where the hell am I having you do this when I have to do everything? There. This is not fucking rocket science. Right? You draw the picture? Draw the fucking picture. Did you write down the cylinder? Do you know what card it is? What? Draw the picture? You label it? I hope you label this part as diameter. In one color. The other color, you label as radius. Look at the blue line and the red line. Which one's bigger? Blue line or red line? Which one's bigger? This is not a whole question. Which one? Okay, the blue line's bigger, right? Which one's smaller? But how much bigger? How much bigger is the diameter than radius? 2 times. So the diameter is 11. What is the radius? I need you to go. No, I know, sweetheart. I am sorry. I'm fucking frustrated with your brother, and I'm gonna be done in about 5 minutes, okay? Go brush your teeth and go lay down. Oh, good. Let me smell. Okay, you brush again. Okay. You told me that. What's your radius? Which is what? What is the it's a diameter? You have a calculator, so what? Any free time, you better be studying for your test that you're gonna be taking. You understand? Because apparently we're not going forward, we're going backwards. Did you bother doing any of this weekend? Where's your questions here? Where are the answers for this? Where are the answers for the test that you took? You have it there? Good. You're gonna be practicing all of that. Because like I said, I'm not gonna be nice to you until you fucking take the test and you get a better score. Get it done. Maybe next time you just get a good score the first time. No, Divided. What are you finding now? What's your unit?
Um, do I still keep the old cards, or do I throw these away?
I'm not answering that fucking question, so we're done with that. You can throw it away when you figure out what they are and how you memorize it. So that's not my concern right now. Right now, I'm trying to finish it so I can help your system put it to bed. Surface area. What's your formula for the surface area? Really? Your card got torn. Does that really affect your organization and your writing on the card? No. Just look at this right here. Look at this right here. How many surfaces do we have on the shape? Okay, what are they? What's the first shape that you see in the cylinder? How many are there? What's the area of the circle? Yeah. Did we find out the last one on the volume? What was it? Do we need to do it all over again? What was it? 3.25? And there's two, correct? What's the next shape of the surface? Well, what's the next surface? If I unravel this part right here, it's kind of like this, right? So this one, no, grab your card because you need it. Where's the card that you made that says cylinder? Draw the formula. The formula of this is this, right here. Surface area. Which is going to be the circumference of a circle times the height. This right here is the height. And this right here is the circumference. What's the area for the circumference of a circle? Or what's the circumference of a circle formula? Height times diameter. And then finally times height. What's your diameter again? Look at the picture. What's your diameter? What's your height then? There you go. 30.25 times 2 plus that. That's your surface area. I don't even need the formula because you just break down the faces or the surfaces, and that's what you have. Centimeters squared. Yeah, you can do whatever the heck you want. I'm done. I'm taking your sister and putting her to bed.